Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to import used goods at a very cheap price from China, okay? All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you can get started with used goods from China importation, okay? But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to click on the subscribe and hit on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation, US, Turkey importation, and some other country importation, you'll get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to teach you one-on-one training with me, you can feel free to join my paid class. If you have interest, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. So let us talk more about importation business if you have interest in my paid class, okay? And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688, taobao or pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce platform, feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about the importation business, okay? So in today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can import cheap goods from China, how you can import used goods at a very cheap price from China. That is what I'm going to teach you in today's tutorial. So the app we are going to use is here, okay? The app we are going to use is called Idlefish. So all you have to do, this is the app right here. So I'm going to launch the app and you'll see how you can get started with used goods importation from China, okay? So I'm going to click on it right away. So this is the app. It's going to load up like this, and this is how it's going to look like, most especially if you just download the app and you just install it on your phone. All you have to do is to watch the step I'm taking in this video and see how you can get started with how you can import used goods from China without any stress, okay? So the next step you have to take is to click on this yellow bar eye right here. So I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so at this point here, you need to give access to your phone call. Just click on allow. So this is going to load up, okay? And here, let's see. Okay, so here, if you have something like this, immediately when you launch the app, this is just simply means that before you can have full access to the app, you need to register on the app. There are different means by which you can do that, which I'm going to explain to you guys right in this video. So for you to have full access to the app, you need to register just like I said. So let me quickly translate what we have here so that everybody can understand what is going on or what is written on the screen right here. So here means welcome to quick login. Then here it means login with your taobao account. Here, this is another option by which you can log in. Other shortcut login method. The first one here is taobao, okay? Right here. The first one here to log into the app is taobao, okay? Another option is alipay. Another option is to fill the registration form, okay? Then here, let me see what is going on here. You have read and agreed to Shenyang community user of this agreement, stuff like that. So here, if you are a foreigner, which simply means that you are not a Chinese person, all you have to do is to follow the step I'm taking in this video if you don't want to have any issue, okay? So as a foreigner, you can either log in with your taobao account or you log in with your alipay account. So in this regard, I'm going to log in with the alipay account. So the first thing you have to do is to click on here to agree to the term of the app. So I'm going to click on it right away. Now, when you click on that, the next thing you have to do is to click on your alipay. Just click on the alipay symbol right here. This simply means that you want to log into the app with your alipay. So in this regard, you must have Alipay before you can have access to this particular app right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on my Alipay. So it's going to automatically connect to my Alipay app. Okay. All right, so you can see my Alipay detail has been brought up. So the next thing you have to do is to click on login. All right, so without any stress, you have successfully logged into the app. Okay, so the next thing is that you can see we have a pop-up on the screen of the app right here. You have a pop-up here. This pop-up simply means that you want to upgrade the app. So that's the meaning. If I take my mouse, this translation here, so I'm trying to translate. Okay, let me use global translation. Global translation. So global translation give you a chance to translate the whole page in Chinese character to English language. It's going to scan it here, you can see. So this simply means that upgrade immediately, then this other one means no promotion. So if you want to upgrade, you can decide to click on this yellow here. So it's just that you want to upgrade the app. So now you have fully logged into the app. So this is the app right here. So like I said earlier, when I'm trying to start this tutorial, I told you everything about this app is how you can import used goods from China without any stress. So all you have to do is to watch the step I'm taking in this video, and believe me, whatever you buy from this app is just a fairly use that is very much okay. All you have to do is to understand how the app work more better. So in my future tutorial, I will make a lot of video about how you guys can play safe on this app so that you don't have any issue when you are dealing with any supplier on this app. Okay, so but before I round up today's tutorial, if you would like to join my paid class one-on-one training with me on how you can actually import successfully from China without any stress, or from any other country of your choice, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688 taobao, pinduoduo and idlefish, feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.